only going 5 minutes down the road. Famous last words. Your ass, you blind or what? Traffic just start and somebody already vex.
Stop block the road, brother. You're mad. I'm right away this. You think you own the lane?
Light turn green and nobody move. Everybody a horn like the horn a go push the car. Me check time. Later. Time still disrespectful. Only thing I move are the music. Traffic teach patience. Eh. Whether you want it or not. Life serious, but me nah stress. Just relax, man.